Well, here we are. Here we are at the famous Carhenge. Speaking about something that's going to be on Carhenge soon, that car don't sound too healthy. So, this right here is how it all started. It all started like this. Why? Why was this done? Creator Jim Reinders' answer would simply be, why not? That's, you know, the question of everything. Why not? He would create Stonehenge replica, Stonehenge West, for his hometown of Alliance, Nebraska. With no giant slabs of stone present in this area, he decided to use these cars. Is what Stonehenge would look like, but this is Carhenge. Wow, oh wow. Look at all of this. One man's junk is another man's treasure. And he made something great. This art here is just, wow. I'm in the center of Carhenge right now. Birds are looking down upon me. Maybe I'm going to be a sacrifice like the Druids. I don't think so. Why is all these birds here? Why are they so attracted to Carhenge? Is there something I don't know about? These birds know. These birds know. Hey, there's a gremlin right up there. And I'm not talking about. Those birds know. I said the word gremlin. Right there's a gremlin.
Yeah, they ran. No clue.
Whew. See the mogwais? That's what they do at night. Those birds turn into gremlins.
Shouldn't have had them.
Yes, they're cooing.
Right there. Top of the truck.
They're going to poop on me.
They're all the way through.
What do you think about this? We're finally here to see Carhenge. This is nice. Look how they do they just put these cars underneath there like so. In the fields of Alliance, Nebraska. Walk around here. All right, Gypsy Lynn, I know you're not going to go anywhere without me on this one, so.
Dinosaurs are out there.
Yes, the dinosaurs are out there. So let's.
Bigger path up here.
All right. So, as always.
Hello, little bird.
Mad No Matter goes first. Just because he can. And because I always look out. They are coming after me. Don't be scared.
See, it's a little bit bigger path to go see the dinosaurs this way. Take your own.
All right, Mad No Matter is running low on batteries. Gypsy Lynn. I'm watching you. The cars are watching you.
Okay, well,
It's
your battery's
fine.
running down. I just brought one for this one. You didn't say you needed one. You just said it was getting too hot.
Look at this funky art right here. Right here is the Ford Seasons. These are all Fords. Look how this is tied up. This is an hearse with a wagon wheel.
Everybody loves somebody, huh?
Everybody loves somebody. That's pretty cool seeing Carhenge down here. Oh, Carhenge.
That's the king's car.
That's the king's car.
No, because it's gold.
It's gold? You think that's the king's car?
It's gold.
Gold, she says. All right, well, I'm not going to walk all the way down there. Gypsy Lynn, will you get one of these cars and drive me down? There's a little more history about Carhenge. There's a time capsule buried up around here. Ladybug artist unknown. Carasaurus. The 3 bells built by Leonard Reinders. And that was, where did I see that at? I saw that somewhere. They even have picnic tables you can eat on. And right here's the donation box that you can give money to. So make sure you donate here. Look how majestic this is. One more glance here before we leave. Before anyone, because everyone wants their alone time with Carhenge, and well, I don't want to interrupt anybody's time out in that gremlin. So with that said, Mad No Matter and Gypsy Lynn is going to hit the road. We don't know where we're going.
But we know we're going.
But we're going. Just like Whitesnake. Here I go again on my own, going down the only road I've ever known. Just like a twister, I hope I don't see one. In Nebraska. So we're leaving from Alliance, Nebraska. See you later.